Martin from Secret, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to the daily pre-market analysis show Markets Tomorrow, where we look at what happened exactly in the market today, and so that it helps us to plan for a trade for the next day. Right. So it was a rocking Banknifty that we saw. It was relentless breakout and wide range bullishness that we saw, and the Nifty also after consolidation has broken out. Let's get into details and see what exactly see. So here you are seeing the weekly charts of both the indices, left Nifty and right Bank Nifty. You can see that it's clearly attempting to break out. Bank Nifty clear close above the trend line, and now the question is whether the week ends tomorrow. So the weekly candle will be completed tomorrow. So if that closes above, then definitely we are going to have a rally that can go up further. Right. Let's get into the daily charts and see what exactly happened. Look at this. This is the Nifty. It's a gap up for sure, and we have taken out the previous swing high. Right. We had a CIP bounce which worked out. Right. Previous resistance acting as a support and then bouncing up from there. That's what happened. This is a support zone. And more details about Bank Nifty also. Wide range bullish candle also gap up. So I just summarized it here. So remember, this is analysis for Friday, September 9th, tomorrow. So today is an expiry day. That is where this breakout in the Bank Nifty was happening. Right? It was trending up Bank Nifty. And it closed nearly 2%, 1.91, 753 points up. Wide range bullish candle is what is formed, and it has taken out the previous swing high also. You can see that. This was the previous swing high, it's taken out. Bank Nifty, what's that? Nifty, it was a breakout from a 5 days of consolidation, right? You can see that this last Tuesday's candle, 5 days it was consolidating inside this, and it exploded as we had expected yesterday. It is broken out. Now we have the resistance and supports. No, we'll have to look at that. But that consolidation is over. It has broken out with the help of Bank Nifty, obviously. A weekly trend line we have already seen. It has to confirm by tomorrow whether it is going to close above the channel or not. If that happens, it's well and good. See if the bounce happened. Divergence was there at Bank Nifty. That also worked out well. So intraday was pathetic in the Nifty. Look at this. So it gapped up and then consolidated. Actually, gapped up means 1 week. Then another V, the pin bar, and then reversal. So one inverted V and a V, 2 V-shaped day. Very difficult for intraday traders, but it was expiry date. DK benefit was there, so it should have been okay. But look at Bank Nifty; it's trendingly moving up. Trending. Just once it broke that moving average. But, 5 minutes is showing the trend. The Bank Nifty is going up, non-stop, trending up. Clear wide range bullish. So there is no look back, right? Nifty we have seen. So that was the price action. Nifty was very volatile and Bank Nifty was trending up. Nifty also was volatile, but it was trendingly moving up. Making swing high, swing high, swing high. That's the kind of action. That's clear bullishness. Levels making out of this: 7808 previous swing high Nifty, 7992 previous swing high Nifty. Both the resistance on the upside. 7692 downside support, 749 gap support, right? That's for the Nifty. Bank Nifty, the resistance is 41,400 nearby range. That's a resistance, previous swing high. That's not the resistance actually. Yeah, that's a resistance on the previous swing high. And support for the Bank Nifty is 39,700, which is a gap support, and 39,200, which is a previous swing low support. So basically, if you go and look at Nifty, the next resistance will be this place, this previous swing high, and then you have a previous swing high, another one that is coming. That too is what we are talking about: 18114, 89, 7982. Before that, we are closed above the 17800. So first 17800 is a very crucial zone. So clear close above that is required. That is the first resistance. After that, we'll have to look at the rounding number 18K nearby zones. Heavy resistance may be expected there, but if that is crossed, then we are all set. So tomorrow is very crucial that way. Banknifty will let resistance levels, which has actually broken out and just taken out a previous swing high also, and now, it's this, near to, it is approaching very close to the 40K is conquered. 40K is conquered. That is very crucial. What a remarkable, comeback it has made after making a swing low, right? This, I believe, this is somewhere in the range of like 25%, nearly 24% plus kind of move is what you see. And Banknifty, Nifty, 20. This is also made some nearly 16. So it does not reach that new high. But Banknifty, it's rocking. It has made a new swing high. Actually, it has made a new high. So that way, Banknifty is rocking for sure. Now, volatility bands, Bollinger Bands, if you see, it's both are consolidating, but both are showing symptoms or signals of upside expansion, right? So it's clear contraction. So any move between this 17,000 and 18,000, 17,000 and 18,000 can be considered as just a consolidation only. So it has to break out of the 18,100, that zone, and price has to work on this band. The band has to expand on the upside, which has happened in the Banknifty. So Banknifty is a bullish bias, but it is a contracted it's a contraction with upside bias on the Nifty is what Banknifty. So there also Banknifty is giving the extra bullishness, showing that clearly. Momentum is Nifty had slipped in the sideways, now it is in bullish zones. Banknifty already was in the bullish zones, maintains that. Divergence was there yesterday, bullish momentum. First reverse divergence was in Banknifty, it worked out perfectly. See, we had marked it yesterday and it met the target also, right? The previous swing high is taken out. So that is about momentum divergence. Trend is also in the bullish zones, but it's having weak or falling flat, kind of sunk this for the trend. Trend is still not turned out to be, because it had made a dip, so it takes time for the trend to, it's a lagging indicator. The VIX is cooled off today a little bit, 5.5% of cool off has happened, 18.3, but it's still very close to 20. So that much required cool off has not happened in the VIX. Is a small concern. But futures OI definitely made long build up on both the indices today. Options OI, there's no point in looking at that because it's for the weekly expiry, that's September 15th. It's starting from active trading from tomorrow. 17,500 and 18,000 is what's showing, right? 500 points gap. 40,200 and 40,200 system. So put writers and call writers both are focusing on 40,200 of the Banknifty for the next expiry. September 15th weekly. 1.17, 1.41, both are bullish. Clear bullishness on the put call ratio PCR, right? So option OI data clearly indicates bullishness. VIX has cooled off, which is good. Momentum trend in favor. Bollinger Bands in favor. Price action, support resistance levels, all everything is in favor of bullishness, and further up move is what is indicated as of now. So today's performance ID and auto perform, metal underperformed. That's what happened, right? So ITS was trying to reverse back. Other measures are all flat. FMCG, realty, metal, these are the sectors which are maintaining the bullish momentum in the short term on the daily charts, right? FMCG, auto, realty, they are most bullish if you consider among the all other major sectors. Heavyweights, if you see Reliance performed, except Reliance, everything performed. Sorry, Reliance did not perform. ICICI Bank, HDFC, all bank stocks, Kodak Bank, everything performed. And that's Infi performed. No, they all performed more than TCS also performed. They all performed more than 1%. So it's good. Bullish is all the heavyweights. ICICI Bank the most bullish. That has made a bullish move greater than 1% today also. Infi TCS has climbed back from the bearish zones into the bullish, into the sideways zones, not bullish, right? So that is some relief. So IT was contributing to today's rally. So today 2,913 crores of buying has happened from the FIs. DIs sold very little, 200 crores, right? So that is very good. So institutional support is also there, right? Crude oil is actually rising today, but it is after below 83, which is good. It is falling. Overall, if you see, it's in the bearish zones from the momentum perspective. So it's at a support zone. So it may be consolidating there, but as long as it does that and maintain this level, it should be good for markets also. Dollar is also falling slightly, but overall it is still at all-time high of near to 110 20-year high. Right? Obviously, USD INR also has little pullback has happened, but 79.6 is weakest levels of rupees continues to be there. It is not exceeding the 80, that is only relief. But this dollar rising up is concerned. Dollar has really two candles are seen, which is retraced on the dollar index, but dollar index is not directly correlated with the USD INR, right? But dollar is shooting up, so USD INR is being maintained by the RBI, is what we can understand below the 80 levels. Gold is rising and reversing attempt is being made. SGX is flat, US index is flat. US index has to be closely watched. Both has to be closely watched before the pre-market. Look at this US index. This is what has happened, right? This is a major level. This is a 2020 support zone, COVID low. So this is exactly where the market has taken a support and shown a green candle. So it was a big up move today, 400 points up move, which is good. That's what our market also rallied. So if that continues up move, then it should be fine. If it falls back to this another support zone at the 30,000 levels, it's going to be problem. So you have to watch out. The momentum is maintaining. The momentum support is also maintained downside. In the RSI, it's a 40 levels. So somewhere it looks fine. US market's fine. But overall, there is big selling pressure on the US. That has to be closely watched. If there is big moves happening there, we have another option. So inflation data is coming in next Monday. Industrial production, manufacturing, all this data is coming on Monday. So next Monday, it will be crucial to watch out how the market further, continues the rally or falls back again once again or not. So several attempts has been made to break out now. Several weeks, if you look at the weekly candles. So the question is whether it will be able to do that or not. So two stock picks for the next week, next day, week, few days, probably not one day. One is Adani Ports, long, other one is Bank of Baroda. Adani Ports, what is happening is Adani Ports was having bullish momentum and trend for sure, and it's a rectangular pattern breakout and very good risk reward can be looked at, right? So that is one. And Bank of Baroda is also having a breakout. Momentum is bullish, trend is bullish, and it is a cup and handle. So this may take time. I'll be cautious. It may extend to a swing trade than a one-day trade. It may take time because it's a multi-year rounding pattern breakout, right? So you have to trail it, and then it could be rewarding if you take a trade once the neckline of the rounding pattern is taken out, right? So this you have to wait for the signal to come before you go long. So just a market view wrap up. Market has finally consolidated. Consolidation has finally ended, and finally it has broken out after 5 days of that. The Banknifty is rocking, as you know. It has broken out into the bullish zone, forming a wide range bullish candle. So weekly trend line, seems to have closed above that, but tomorrow's price move will be decisive. So consolidation of the Bollinger Band is also showing expansion on the upside. So what is wrong is VIX is still very high. It's not really cooled off. US market is bearish momentum. So you have to watch whether it takes that support or is able to maintain support or it breaks down or not. Right. So always hedge, because US markets, what it does overnight, you never know. So hedge your position, only thing that we can do. Risk management, right? But Indian markets have been ignoring the global cues, and FIs have been relentlessly buying to make up for all the selling that they have done the last 1 year, right? Put call ratio is bullish, price action is bullish, momentum is bullish, trend is bullish. So obviously my view for the tomorrow is mild bullish, but you have to be still cautious because the candle formation is happening only. Complete trend line channel breakout will be confirmed only by the end of tomorrow. Closure, VIX is high, US markets kind of bearish, so it may break out from here, go some little more, and then it can reverse back. That is all possible. So you have to be cautious, but overall bullish, mild bullishness is what my view is for. I hope this helps you to make your trade plan, or some way it may be helping in your study and analysis of the market. So if that helps in some way, consider hitting the like button, put in your feedbacks, share to maximum, subscribe if you're not subscribed. We have very few subscriptions. Appreciate the help in this work. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye.